Hey, if you are wondering why your JBL Go 5 is not charging, well, this could be about like 3 reasons. So the first one, I've got that problem when I was using 125 watts charger from Motorola. Take a look on the box, we can find a recommendation about power adapter from 2.5 into the 5 watts. If you go above this, then sometimes your speaker cannot be charged. Also, this could be a problem with cable. As you know, they doesn't actually include cable over here. So if you are going to use cable from your smartphone, sometimes this cannot be, not synchronized, but compatible actually with your speaker. So I will switch the cable, try to use another one, the same with the power adapter as I said before. Or sometimes the problem could be with that port. So if you take a look inside the port, you can see that for me it's clear, but sometimes when you get some pieces of the dust or other mess, you should actually take it off before start charging this device. Or the last thing, as you know, this device is waterproof. So if you put it under the water and there is, some wet inside, if it is wet actually, then it will also doesn't allow you to charge it. So you will have to dry the port. And this is like 4 reasons why it's not charging. Also, the problem might be with a port or a battery that is like broken, but this is something that you cannot fix by yourself in most cases, so you'll have to send it for a warranty or to the customer service.